Good afternoon from the Utah Valley Aero Modelers field in Saratoga, Utah. Saratoga Springs, Utah. Today we're flying the Habu 50mm SS on 4S. I have upgraded this to include a new ESC. Have the 40 amp, I believe, maybe it's the 50. From Spectrum, the Avian, and I'm flying on a ooh, it's windy on a 4S 1550 high volt pack from Pulse. It's a sweet little battery, balances perfect all the way back, and since I'm at and on the stock motor, I'm at 4,500 feet, so with our thinner air, we lose quite a bit of performance. Yeah, look at it, push it back. I can get away with bursts of stock without it really overheating. I get with the Avian ESC, I still get all the temperature readings and RPM and stuff like that, so it's pretty great. I'm here in the afternoon, so I'm flying, the sun's at my back, so rather than being blinded by the sun and I'm the only one here, I can stand on the other side of the runway. You can see how quick it goes with the wind. I keep flying these low into the wind passes. Let me see if I can't pull one up here going the other way with the wind. Just there's some big trees right here when you fly this way. Yeah, it's quick with the wind. We got a little bit of a stiff breeze. I actually came out to maiden the Avanti. It failed the range check. I have an old AR 8000 receiver I was putting in it because I got Reflex 3 for it, and it's just not happy. So I was questioning if that was still a good receiver, and the answer is no. I mean, I've had it a long time. I don't know what happened to it. Maybe it got wet or something, or maybe it was just a bad one, and maybe that was the reason I hadn't used it. So anyway, so that video will have to wait. But we do get to fly the Habu.
Quit time or stop.
Love the way all Habus fly. It's a great sport design. This thing, if I take it to the park by my house, but I need to do that on a time of day when there aren't a lot of people out and about. I can take the gear off and hand toss it. Maybe I should have done that here. Forgot our grass is reasonable again. We had a little period there where the it's gusty. Ooh, I'll take it. There was a period here this summer where this green grass was anything but green. So I don't know. Shoot, missed opportunity. I should have taken the gear off and hand launched it. Oh well. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.